kids, today we shall start with numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's begin. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's repeat. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's revise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's begin. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's repeat. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now let's begin. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's repeat. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let us revise. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's revise all the numbers once more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,